So in today's lesson, we'll be looking at categorical and numerical data. It's a pretty short one today, so hopefully relatively painless. And you may have seen this before, perhaps last year or the year before. Our main aim today is to distinguish the difference between categorical and numerical data and to establish what they are. So we're on our worksheet now, and we're going to be looking at our first question here. So let's zoom in a little bit, and there we go. So we're going to be looking at firstly 9.01, which I'll just highlight here, and we're looking at categorical data. So categorical data is data that can be grouped into categories, okay? And to help us elaborate on this, we've got some questions here. So write down some responses that could come from the following questions. So what color car do you have, and what's your favorite ice cream? So just pause the video and have a shot at those, just listing down some colors of cars and favorite ice cream. And so remember, with the favorite ice cream flavor, just, it could not just be yours, but a few others, just to get some extra data in there. And when you're ready to go, press play. Okay. All right, we're going to go through these now. So some possible responses we have. Well, what color car do you have? Well, straight away I've got a blue car, so I might write that one down. You can go. I think the most common cars probably either white or silver. Okay, but nothing wrong with a red Ferrari or yellow Aston Martin. Oh, yellow Aston Martin, that'd be awful. Yellow Alfa Romeo. So we've got those colours there. Obviously, there's quite a few different versions. What's your favourite ice cream? Well, my favourite is rum and raisin. So better put that down. Other ones, well, you can't go past a good vanilla. It has to be a good vanilla. Otherwise, it's it can be pretty rubbish. And then you got your classics, chocolate. Okay. I can't really think of them. I don't know. We've got, I guess, strawberry. I really like strawberry very much. But we got the point here, right? We're just listing out possible responses to those questions. So what we're doing is we're asking a question and we're getting data back. In this case, the data is called categorical data. Why is that? Well, these responses can be grouped into categories. So our categories are, like typically a color or a flavor. To distinguish the difference between categorical and numerical, typically there isn't a number in the data. When you ask a question, out pops categorical data. Typically there isn't an answer that is a number. So in this case, we can say that the responses are categorical data.